Your kittens are playing, but one starts hissing. Is this normal? These kittens look like they are playing. They pause, walk away, and come back again. That usually means play, not a real fight. The younger kitten hisses twice, but hissing does not always mean fear. Kittens often hiss to say, "That's too much." The older kitten ignores it and keeps playing, which shows there is no serious aggression. After separating them, both kittens act normal. The younger one even runs back to play again. That tells us she is not scared. This is playful behavior with unclear signals, not danger. Helpful tips. Watch body language and pauses. Stop play only if one kitten can't escape. Trim nails to avoid injuries. Give both kittens daily playtime. Like, share, and subscribe for more cat behavior tips.
Very fine.